Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Microsoft Teams audio issues so you can hear and be heard clearly during your meetings. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to your Microsoft Teams, and once you're here, you will click this three dots right here, and then you will go ahead and click settings and wait for it to load. And once you're here, what you will have to do is go to devices, which is right here, and now what you will do is check the correct microphone and speaker are selected. So um, make sure that you've selected the right microphone here so that you will be able to actually hear something and be heard. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. Make sure to just enable these options right here, and your problem will now be solved. And yeah, that's basically just it. And by the way, you could also, if your audio is not working, you could also check your Windows sound settings and ensure that Teams has permission for that. And restart your Teams and your computer if necessary. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.